keyword research and niching down for Amazon Print on Demand. We will start by opening a new incognito page in Chrome. Using the incognito mode is advised because your browsing history and logs have a significant effect on your search results. If you reside outside the USA, make sure you click on the Choose Your Location tab to enter a US zip code. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the whole list of products when you make a search. Just like the USA, if you like to browse the Amazon Germany or France, you have to use the relevant postcode or zip code for each Amazon marketplace. Every day, the competition on Amazon increases, and the number of products listed keep popping up in huge numbers. This makes it harder to make a new listing to show up on the first or the second page of any search results. And also, if you can't drive outside traffic for sales or use ads to promote your products, and you just simply rely on organic traffic, the business is getting harder. Now let's go for a highly popular and very well known hobby, which is fishing. If you search for a fishing t-shirt on Amazon, the Amazon search bar will instantly show alternative long-tail keywords. In this case, we will go for fishing t-shirts for men. You'll notice that at least 10,000 products are ranked for that long-tail keyword before. And it is almost impossible to rank for that keyword. And by ranking, I mean your product won't be able to find a suitable slot on the first couple of pages. We go back to the search bar and try to find an alternative long-tail option. And we try fishing shirts for men funny. Still 10,000 results. No good for a new listing. At this moment, we have to find relevant keywords, and we will use those keywords as modifiers in our listing. We go on to Google and try to find a specific fish name. Since the next 3 or 4 months' time ahead of us is winter, it is better to look for a fish that can be caught during winter time. Search winter fishing on Google and let's see what Google would offer us. Here you see lots of different fishes. You can use any of the following, but I will go for the walleye. Now let's go back to Amazon and use the walleye in the listing. Walleye fishing t-shirts for men. We narrowed down the search results to 4,000. It is better than 10,000 results, but it is still no good. We have to narrow it down. We go back to Google again to find some more relevant keywords that we can use in our listing. Let's take a look at the images for the same search results. And what we see here is a lot of images related to ice fishing. I also see a lot of pictures of frozen lakes. We can use ice fishing and lake both as modifiers in our listing to narrow down the search results. Let's go back to Amazon and make a new search for walleye ice fishing lake t-shirt. Here we go. We are down to 141 results. This is not bad, but the most important thing now is to look for the search results and the BSR data to understand if there is a demand for that search result and what the Amazon algorithm offers us for that specific search. We see a lot of merch t-shirts show up with lots of comments and sales history, and a couple of more FBM products. What we have to do now is try to find more relevant keywords and, if possible, long-tail keywords to use in our title and bullet points. Once you're done with that, you have to come up with a good design to compete with other competitors. And always keep in mind that never copy other designs. It is not hard to create an original artwork of your own. There are tons of apps and add-ons to help you with creating artwork. Do not take the risk of losing your account. And always make sure to check for the trademarks for the phrases and sayings that you're going to use in your titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Final words: always make the keyword research first and check if there's a demand for that niche. Then create the artwork.